just added a new feature, and let's just say sellers now have a much easier way to slide into more inboxes without wearing out their thumbs. We're talking about the new mass message feature, where users can send one message to buyers, followers, and subscribers all at once. So whether you're brand new and searching for FeetFinder for beginners, or you've already have been working the platform like a pro, this update is worth paying attention to. Instead of hoping the right buyer stumbles upon your content in the feed, Promote to Buyers places your albums and profiles right in front of people who are already interested in your style. Whether it's foot jewelry, painted toes, custom requests, or themed sets, this feature gives your content a little spotlight without you having to chase attention with every single message. This works hand in hand with mass messaging, allowing you to send one polished promo, teaser, or friendly update to all of your followers and active buyers at once. It's a smooth, non-pushy way to say, hey, I've got something new you might like, without repeating the same message over and over and over again. Anyone still learning how FeetFinder works? Communication is a huge part of this platform. You can have great content, a nice profile, and solid listings, but if nobody sees what you're offering, things can get quiet fast. That's why this new update comes in handy. It gives sellers a way to wake things up with the buyers. Under the Reach Out section, FeetFinder shows 3 paid promotion options. You can reach 1,000 buyers for $10, 2,500 buyers for $20, and 5,000 buyers for $35. So basically, FeetFinder is giving sellers a built-in way to flirt with the algorithm a little. Instead of waiting around and hoping buyers discover your profile, you can send a message directly into a larger buyer pool. But this doesn't mean you should send a boring buy my stuff message. No, please don't do that, because you're reaching out to a large number of potential buyers, so make it count. A better message is short, confident, and tempting. Something like, new bundle just dropped today. Limited custom requests are open this week. Message me if you want first pick. See the difference? It gives buyers a reason to care. It feels personal. It has a little mystery. It gives the message some shape. For beginners using the FeetFinder website, this feature could help you get attention faster instead of waiting forever for traffic. For advanced users, this is where strategy comes in. You can test different promos, push new uploads, bring attention back to your page during slow days, or create limited time offers. The smart play would probably be testing smaller first. Try the 1,000 buyer option, see how people respond, then decide if it makes sense to go bigger. But if you already have a strong offer, clean profile, and content ready to sell, that 5,000 buyer option could be tempting. This update makes FeetFinder feel more campaign-driven. Sellers are not just posting and waiting anymore. They can actively promote, reach out, and create momentum. And in a marketplace where attention matters, that is a pretty big deal. So whether you're still researching FeetFinder for beginners, trying to understand how FeetFinder works, or already using the FeetFinder website to grow your sales, this mass message feature is one to watch. Now, the real question is, are you starting sweet with 1,000 buyers or going bold with 5,000? Drop your pick in the comments, because this FeetFinder update might just be the new way sellers get seen. Make sure to visit and follow FeetFinder for more stuff like this.